gonna go to sleep, Nala? I think when you do, Miss Millie's gonna give you kisses. She's cleaning you, Nala. She's cleaning you. I think she's gonna pass out, Miss Millie. I keep saying that though, and she hasn't yet. She's coming for you. It's okay, Millie. She won't hurt you. Big monkey yawn. What's she doing? Oh, Nala, you gonna go to sleep? You gonna go to sleep instead of play with Miss Millie? Miss Millie likes it when you play. Oh, 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 there's a monkey here. There's a belly button. I see the belly button. She's like, let me see that. That looks like something I can chew on. What is that? Nala. Nala. What is that? Was that her nose? Is that her nose? Give her a kiss, Miss Millie. Clean her up. Clean her up. Oh, she's such a cute monkey. Oh. What was that? That puppy dog. That puppy dog. Okay, bye-bye. 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 What's she doing? Okay.